The US unveils a game-changing rare earth tech in 2025, breaking China's grip on global supply. Hey everyone! On May 4th, 2025, US scientists announced a breakthrough in rare earth element extraction, slashing reliance on China, which controls 60% of mining and 90% of refining globally, per CSIS. Rare earths, 17 metals like neodymium and dysprosium, are the backbone of tech, powering smartphone chips, electric vehicle batteries, and F-35 fighter jets. Developed by Purdue University and ReElement Technologies, the new tech uses ultrasound and electrolysis, cutting costs by 70% and boosting efficiency to 95%. The Round Top mine in Texas, holding 15 of 17 rare earths, could produce 1,000 tons of neodymium magnets annually by 2026, per USA Rare Earth. This could lower electric vehicle prices by 10 to 15% and strengthen U.S. defense tech. Element USA is also tapping $8.4 billion in rare earths from coal ash, a hidden gold mine, per the University of Texas. But challenges remain. Building refineries takes 3 to 5 years, and China may tighten export bans in response to U.S. tariffs, per CNBC. The U.S.-China tech race is heating up. Will this breakthrough give America the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.